Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Hint. So today's session we are going to talk about Terraform output values. And today's video we are going to discuss all these points. What is Terraform output values, how to print public DNS and subnet ID, how to print public DNS and subnet ID with output.tf, and last one, how to stop printing some sensitive information. So firstly, what is Terraform output values? So in easy language, we can say that Terraform output values used to print. So here is the syntax of Terraform output values. Firstly, you need to define keyword output and then you need to define some meaningful name. So here I define the name output value and you can put any message inside the value when you run the code. That means when we run the apply command, it print the message welcome to DevOps Hint. So now firstly we are going to take how to print public DNS and subnet ID. So now let's look at the code in Visual Studio Code. So before run the code, let's understand the code in main.tf file. And here firstly we going to define the provider, AWS provider, then resource. In resource we provide AMI and instance type I have provide t2.micro and key pair means key name. Then output value. So firstly we need to define keyword output. Then you can put any meaningful name for output value. So I have assigned public underscore DNS. And in value, so here you need to mention keyword that AWS underscore instance. You can see in resource there is AWS instance, so you need to define same name here, and then you need to define name of your host, that web, because here I define the name web. Then you need to put public underscore DNS. Then that's the keyword which you need to mention so that you will be get public DNS. Then last one, description. So in description you can assign the some meaningful name. So same for the subnet ID. Copy the output and values and paste here and public DNS replace with subnet ID, subnet underscore ID. Copy and paste and here also. So save the files and open new terminal and run the command terraform init. Then terraform plan. So before apply, you can see we are not getting any public DNS or subnet ID because Terraform plan doesn't start instance. So we are getting after apply command. So now Terraform apply. So yes. It's creating. So now my instance is started and here you can see output, public DNS and subnet ID. So let's check in our AWS. Go to the EC2 and see Terraform demo. And same tag name here, Terraform demo. So before we going to next point, I will destroy the instance. So Terraform destroy. So yes, it's destroying. So let's check. Successfully destroy. So clear the screen first. So now we are going to third point, how to print public DNS and subnet ID with output.tf. And this is another way to print output values. So let's see in code. So firstly, we can create a new file, that output.tf file. Then we just copy the code of output values and paste in output.tf. So save the two files and open new terminal and run the command terraform init. Then terraform plan. Then terraform apply. So yes. It's creating. So you can see the output, and output is same. So now I will destroy the instance. So terraform destroy. So yes. It's destroying. So destroy complete. So let's clear the screen first. So now we are going to last point, how to stop printing some sensitive information. In this, if you don't want to show your data, password, or any personal information to public, so you can simply put the sensitive flag true, then it will stop printing sensitive data on your terminal. So you can use if you want to hide information. So let's see how to do that. So we will mention here sensitive equals to true. And I don't want to change anything. So save the file and open new terminal and run the command terraform init. Then terraform plan. Before an apply command, you can see here is mentioned sensitive value after plan command, and for subnet id known after apply, because for subnet id we are not declared sensitive, so that's why subnet id cannot stop to print. So now terraform apply. So yes, it's creating instance. Sometime it should take some minutes. So see, here is the value. So value is sensitive. That means it stop printing sensitive information. So thank you for watching our video. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps Hint channel.